So literally this is the camp inside. It's so spacious. Literally my first time living here in a tent. Last night was amazing. It was a spacious bed. Sorry about the messy bed, I always shoot the next day. But it's alright. This was really in the best condition. They had like the best mat and everything else, but I messed it up. That's alright. We were on a party, and last night I really had the barbecue event, which was next level. The jacuzzi was amazing, even though the water wasn't that hot enough. Here in this area, I could only expect 32 degrees Celsius water, but next level location and an amazing barbecue night last night. So guys, that is it about my ride expedition and an adventure stay in my tent in Monjam right over there. So if you have liked my episode, so make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because I'm literally riding my bike from Merim to Monjam Pongyang. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me with lots of love. Happy 2024. More videos are coming up. See you in my next one. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Mahadeva.